What's happening? The motor in your V11 is working overtime, and over time it degrades. Plus, all that dust and dirt it sucks up, it gets everywhere, including inside the motor housing. Ignoring this isn't a great idea. That strain on the motor can lead to complete failure, requiring a costly replacement. Plus, a dirty vacuum isn't cleaning effectively. You're just spreading allergens and dust around. And a struggling motor can overheat, which nobody wants. And guess what? Trying a DIY fix without expertise can void your warranty faster than you can say dust bunny apocalypse. Because who needs a clean house anyway? We'd much rather spend all day cleaning. Okay, so your Dyson V11's motor is acting up and it's filthy, and you definitely don't want to mess with it yourself. What's the easiest way to get it back in tip-top shape? RoboCare has a solution. We can often repair the motor and give your Dyson a deep clean to get it running like new. Our expert technicians perform a comprehensive diagnostic assessment. This involves a thorough inspection of the motor, filters, and all internal components. We use specialized equipment to pinpoint the exact cause of the faulty motor and identify any other underlying issues, including that excessive dirt buildup. Once we've identified the problem, our skilled technicians get to work. We only use genuine Dyson parts to ensure optimal performance and longevity for your V11. We meticulously repair or replace the faulty motor components, carefully cleaning and lubricating all moving parts. We pay special attention to removing that built-up dirt and grime. Before we return your vacuum, it undergoes rigorous testing. Throughout the entire process, we keep you informed. We believe in transparency and open communication. But enough talk. We'll show you the amazing results RoboCare achieves. Look at that.
Wow.
See the difference a deep clean and a motor repair makes? The Dyson V11 back to its powerful, dirt-busting best. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I was amazed. RoboCare completely transformed my old, broken Dyson. It's like they gave it a new life. I'm so incredibly grateful. If you're having any problems with your robot vacuum, or even your normal vacuum like I did, don't hesitate to contact RoboCare.
Don't struggle with a broken vacuum. Call RoboCare or visit our website today.